Q8021. A 24-volt source is required to furnish 48 watts to a parallel circuit consisting of 4 resistors of equal value. What is the voltage drop across each resistor? A. 12 volts. B. 6 volts. C. 24 volts. The correct answer is C. To calculate the voltage drop across each resistor in the parallel circuit, use the power formula P equals V multiplied by I. Since the source is 24 volts and the resistors are connected in parallel, each resistor has the full source voltage across it. Therefore, the voltage drop across each resistor is 24 volts. Q8022. When calculating power in a reactive or inductive AC circuit, the true power is A. More than the apparent power. B. Less than the apparent power in a reactive circuit and more than the apparent power in an inductive circuit. C. Less than the apparent power. The correct answer is C. When calculating power in a reactive or inductive AC circuit, the true power is less than the apparent power. In an AC circuit with reactive components, such as capacitors or inductors, the current flowing through the circuit can be out of phase with the voltage. This means that although there may be a current flowing through the circuit, it may not be doing any useful work, such as lighting a light bulb or running a motor, because the current is not aligned with the voltage. The apparent power in an AC circuit is the product of the voltage and the current, and it represents the total power being supplied to the circuit. However, the true power, also known as real power, is the portion of the apparent power that is actually doing useful work. In a reactive or inductive AC circuit, the true power is less than the apparent power because some of the power is being consumed by the reactive components and is not doing any useful work. In an inductive circuit, such as a circuit with an inductor, the true power may be slightly higher than the reactive power because the inductor stores energy and releases it back into the circuit. But in general, the true power is less than the apparent power in a reactive or inductive AC circuit. Q8029. The correct way to connect a test voltmeter in a circuit is A. In series with a unit. B. Between the source voltage and the load. C. In parallel with a unit. The correct answer is C. A voltmeter is used to measure the voltage across a component or set of components in a circuit. To do this, the voltmeter needs to be connected in parallel with the component. This means that the positive lead of the voltmeter is connected to the point in the circuit where the voltage is being measured, and the negative lead is connected to the point in the circuit that is at a lower potential, usually ground. If a voltmeter is connected in series with a component, it will interfere with the normal operation of the circuit and may cause inaccurate readings. If it is connected between the source voltage and the load, it will not provide a specific measurement of voltage across any particular component in the circuit. Q8029-1. What will a voltmeter read if properly connected across a closed switch in a circuit with electrical power on? A. Voltage drop in the components the switch is connected to. B. System voltage. C. Zero voltage. The correct answer is C. If a voltmeter is properly connected across a closed switch in a circuit with electrical power on, it will read zero voltage. When the switch is closed, it creates a direct connection between the two terminals, so there is no voltage drop across the switch. Q8029-2. What does the letter Q symbolize when measuring electrical charge? A. Farad. B. Electron. C. Coulomb. The correct answer is C. 1 coulomb is defined as the amount of charge that flows through a conductor in 1 second when a current of 1 ampere is applied.